How to fix chatbot not responding. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many people face while using chatbots, the dreaded not responding problem. If a chatbot isn't responding, don't worry because we're going to walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get it back and running in no time. First things first, let's make sure you have an active internet connection. A poor or unstable connection could cause your chatbot to freeze or not respond at all. Just check your internet speed, and if you connect it to Wi-Fi, make sure it's strong enough for data to pass smoothly. Alright, if the internet's good, let's check if your chatbot is properly configured. Sometimes bots stop responding if there's an issue with how they were set up. Just open your chatbot, search for it, and simply go to Chai Web. And here you can simply use the chatbot. Now, also, what you can do is another potential issue could be outdated software. Many tight chatbots don't respond because the platforms or libraries they rely on need a update. Just check for updates from the platform you're using. Also, search for the latest version for the chatbot. If you're using an application, just search for chatbot, and if there's an update available, simply update it. Next, if the problem persists, move on to reviewing your logs. Logs give you insights into what's wrong with the bot. So, if none of these steps work, what you can do is simply reinstall the bot or simply clear cache if you're on your Android device. And that there you go. Hopefully, one of the steps has helped your chatbot start responding